So recently got a question, so let's see. The question is, I'm going to make it bigger, so I hope everyone can read it. Okay, so Google Ads impression halt and compromise site across many accounts. Okay, so hi, we are a marketing agency currently facing recurring Google Ads policy issues across multiple client accounts. Many of our websites have recently been flagged, the most common issue being compromised site. Even though there are no virus on the site, we have already attempted the automatic appeals but they were rejected. We then contacted Google support, and while a few suspensions were removed, the affected companies are still not receiving any impressions or clicks for several weeks, even though everything appears compliant. The situation, let me make this bigger as well. The situation is causing serious client dissatisfaction, and unfortunately, neither Google support nor Google Ads specialists have been able to resolve or identify the root cause. At this point, we need more in-depth guidance or escalation. Could someone please help us understand why impressions are still blocked after reinstatement? Whether the domain are still flagged at a deeper level, what exact steps or documentation are required to fully resolve the issue. We appreciate any support or escalation part that can help us restore normal campaign delivery as soon as possible. Okay, so sad to hear that you are being scolded due to compromise site. Now, the compromise site error is big error. You can face compromise site error due to malware error, uh, plugin adware error, if you are showing pop-ups with ads, adware error, virus on your website, on your website, nulled plugin or themes, website has been hacked. Okay, these are the famous one. What we have experienced over the time. Why it gets disapproved for compromised site. Apart from this, your hosting error. If your IP address is blocked, domain owner name is blocked, domain is blocked, errors on search console, or portraying your website as someone else's website. Okay, these are few of the reasons why you get the compromised site error. Now there may be more because over the time we have experienced, every time we find something new to discover. But these are the major common reasons why you are distributed for compromised site. But since you have already addressed that once you reached out to the Google and few suspensions were removed, the affected companies are still not receiving any impressions or clicks for several weeks. Now this is bad. If the suspension is removed and you are not getting any clicks, so what I do is I recommend you to edit your ad or create a new ad. Okay, this is how you can resume. Also, this may have affected your quality score, so try changing your bidding strategy to maximize clicks for some time. Okay, this is how you can restore and resume. So I think that if you are not seeing any compromise set error along with your ad, your domain is not blacklisted, you can run ads. Maybe it is stuck, so usually editing your ad or creating a new one solves this problem. But if your quality score is also affected, the chances are maybe due to the account is new and you got a policy violation error of compromised site, then try changing your bidding strategy to maximize clicks for some time. This is how you can start getting clicks, and this is how you can restore. So I hope this answers your question regarding why impressions are still blocked and whether the domain is flagged. Okay, if the domain is still flagged, okay, even after this, I recommend you to send an email to Google support explaining what you did. Like we looked using different tools to see malware error, adware error, scanning your website, your theme, plugin for error, and then providing them a detailed report of what change is done and why it's not running. It's also a good idea to send an email to Google support with all of these details. But if you are stuck anywhere, don't forget that we are a Google partner company and we help clients who are stuck in similar situation like yours, whether it's a Google Ads disapproval, Google Ads suspension, Google business profile suspension, or anything, or if you need a professional with Google Ads management. We are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company known as AARSWEBS.com. The links are mentioned in the description of this video, and if you want to hire me and my team to assist you, you can hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope this answers your query and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye-bye.